If I don't get this video this time, this is it. Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Fee here with another video. So what I want to do really quickly is go over what I got in my December Boxycharm box. If you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription service where you get 5 items, 5 full-size items for $25 a month. So let's see what I got this month in my Boxycharm. So the theme this month is whimsy. So let's go ahead and see what I have. This is what it's looking like inside of the box. And like I said, you get 5 full-size items and it's usually valuing over $125, which is a great deal considering that you're only paying $25 for the box. I do have a referral link that you can click in the description box. So let's get started. So the first thing that I have is a Seraphine Botanicals Lips Exfoliator. This is valuing at $24. This is a lip scrub that is 100% plant-based. It has avocado and apricot and jojoba and chia seed oils with shea and cocoa butter. So this should be a very great lip scrub. I'll probably try this out when I'm taking my time on one of those nights where I'm giving myself a full nighttime skin regimen. This will probably be great for that, especially in these winter months because your lips starting to get cracked and dry. So a good exfoliator come in handy. Next, I have the Ciate Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. So this is that. And this is valuing at $26. And this is a beautiful package, guys. Look at that. That is so cute. So this is the packaging. It does have a mirror on the inside. And the shade that I have is Dusk. I'm actually wearing this mascara. Not mascara. I'm actually wearing this blush right now. And I actually like blushes like this because it kind of gives you a highlight and a blush all in one. I love a marble blush. So this is going to get put in use. Next, I have a brow makeover kit by Brow Bar. This is valuing at $30. So what this is, so what you have is 2 brow colors. You also have like a highlighting cream and a brow gel. And this is a beautiful packaging. And I have the shade in dark. And you can just flip this up. And it also comes with a little brush. So I don't know if I said this is valuing at $30. I'm not so much a person that wears brow powder. I prefer pencils. So this may get gifted to someone. If I know someone who likes to use powders or just someone who does their brows, I might just give them to them as a Christmas gift. Next, I have my Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This is coming in at $39, and this is 1.69 fluid ounces. So this is the actual tub, well, not tub, but this is the actual bottle or container that is coming in. This is a nice size container. And I already opened it. I haven't tried it yet, but this is what it's looking like. And it doesn't have a strong smell. And if you can tell, it's not really heavy. So this will be a great moisturizer that probably won't clog your pores. It is an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. So It helps to calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. Okay, so I'm very excited to use this. And that is coming in again at $39. Great deal. Mind you, I only paid $25 for the box. So that's not bad. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. And I have Robin Hood. So it has a mirror and 6 shades. So this is what it's looking like. I'm not going to swatch this because I know for a fact that I am giving this away. So yes, I'm practically almost, no, I'm not going to lie. I was about to say I'm almost giving away my whole box this month, but I'm not. I'm only giving away 2 items. That's my eyeshadow palette and the brow bar. Some lucky lady will be receiving this for Christmas. And I am keeping my moisturizer, my lip exfoliant, and my blush. So yeah, so this was this month's box. It was pretty cool. I'm not gonna say it was one of my favorites. However, this was a great box, and I always feel like even if I don't get everything in the box that I might particularly like, I still feel like it's a great value because you pay $25 and just about everything in the box was $25 or more. So yes, if you would like to get your own Boxycharm box, again, I will put the link in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this video, like and share, and I will catch you on the next video. Be blessed.